So my buddy did it, and I guess I'm the next victim of the Lifesavers gummies. So let's do this. I'm gonna do the little string first. That's good. Tastes like something really familiar, but I can't place it, and they're really hard to chew, but they're good. I don't want to choke on it.
Don't inhale, Kate.
I almost did. And next we're gonna do the souring. Yeah. Oh, they actually say Lifesavers. Anyways. Got a little kick to them, but they're good. I like it.